Hello guys, welcome to 2048.
Who are you?
Hydra, the most advanced AI robot. We have tried many times to warn humanity with many people like leaders, politicians, singers, artists, but they couldn't manage. And you are our last hope.
Why I am your last hope?
You are our last hope because in the future you will be one of the most famous YouTubers and you will appeal to a huge audience.
But why I cannot breathe well?
Put on the mask first, then wear the watch which is in the bag. The reasons that you cannot breathe well are air pollutions, wildfires, factories polluting rivers and seas, ocean pollutions, or shortly we can say because of the avarice and excessivity of people.
Well, what are new things that I don't know in 2048?
If you double touch the watch, you will see what are new innovations in this year. The new innovations are teleporting, cloning, and AI robots. The humans have paid a higher cost for only running after technology and not paying attention to their planet. But in the race of advancement and modernization, they ignore every warning and sign.
Can I try cloning and teleporting myself?
Sure,
But how?
close your eyes and think where you want to go.
I wanna go back in 2021. I am in my room. Why I am sleeping? They were good days. How beautiful it was living without masks, feeling the warmth of the sun. I have to warn all the world about the Earth's future. We have to know the worth of fresh air and normal cleaning before losing them.
Low oxygen, low oxygen, low oxygen.
It was a dream. It was a dream.
I have an idea.
Hi everyone, I'm Yahyanur. Today I'm going to talk about air pollution. Nowadays, every individual is facing problems caused by it. Air pollution takes place when gases, dust or smoke gets into the air and make it soiled. Also, it is very harmful for humans, animals and plants. There are many causes for air pollution. Sometimes air gets polluted due to the eruption of volcanoes, dust storms, and wildfires, smoke from factories, power plants, and methane gas. Let's see the effects of air pollution one by one. In humans, air pollution causes dizziness, headache, nasal irritation, and lung disease. Also, air pollution causes damage to trees, fruits, and plants. Pollution brings acid rains which cause trees to die earlier and leaves to get dry. Consequences of it on atmospheric conditions such as it impacts on ozone layer, greenhouse effect, and global warming are some problems which have attracted the attention of scientists all over the world. We should take proper steps to control air pollution. And please,
Be a part of the solution, not the pollution.
Finally, Yakina managed to take their attention, and we did a nice choice by selecting him.